this is Sue Derby, Shorewest Realtors, with this week's edition of Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. Colors seem so much brighter in the summer. If you're getting bored with the wintry beiges and grays in your home decor, this is a great time to add some color. Accent walls are a great place to start. Pick one that anchors your room, like, maybe behind the fireplace mantle or your headboard. Use a color that makes a statement but isn't too far out there. Use the brightest colors for your accessories, like maybe a piece of furniture or a lamp. A major piece of furniture in an eye-catching color can add drama, but also be surprisingly versatile. According to decorators, blue is a gateway drug for color. It's not too out there, and with maybe a navy or a teal, you can choose many colors for accents like corals and lavenders and greens. Major paint brands are calling various shades of soft pale greens the color of the year. It's refreshing and soothing. Fresh paint on a few walls, painting or refinishing some furniture, and adding some new art can really pep up your interior, and it can be lots of fun too. There are lots of really cool apps out there to help you with your decorating too. Sherwin-Williams has a great one for choosing paint colors, and I know whenever I go on HOU, I think it's HOUSZZ or HOUZZ House, I never run out of fun ideas, and time flies by. Anyway, for big projects, Travis and I always recommend that you go to professionals for advice. We can suggest designers and decorators and stagers to help you attain a fresh look, inside or out. So please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're always excited to hear about your projects, at home improvements, big or small. So thanks for tuning in to Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. This is Sue Derby from Shorewest Realtors, your local realtor ready to work hard.